Well, guys, on today's episode of Sliding with Sean, we are supposedly drag racing. Over here in this parking lot, we have two of the fastest trucks in Picayune, Mississippi.
Fastest trucks in Picayune, Bubba.
They got hoods popped.
Go ahead.
Shit is getting fucking
Go ahead,
real. Look at these lowered bullets. Shit is about to get real, son. Yo.
Landon Myers just said there's two of the fastest trucks in Picayune.
Landon Myers? Yo.
You look like you're about to have a seizure, Bubba. Brother.
Crazy, huh?
Gives great content, though. Bunch of retards.
Outside loop. Wait the fuck off. That bitch is not center. Oh, but that's center and you get for Landon Myers.
Yep. You know about it.
So now you gotta measure every one of them bitches to match that one. Look straight from my house. Swirly bird with that one.
It's okay.
And then I made it to something. Police don't pull in no bitches, they gon' get that shit done. 2010 summertime, man, new bitches would jump. 2015 I start rapping, had the hood could jump. I was chopping 5s and 10s, I had the customers coming. Marcus at the store, he had the sack on my throat. They was doing their own thing.
Alright, boys. We're fucking good now. Well, guys, we are posted up. Fucking road trip, boys. We're fucking coming through Covington. Headed to go pick up something.
Who shot you, nigga? Who get shot? GreenEyez, don't look like. You know what it is, GreenEyez retarded. I'm that nigga that you heard about. Ain't tripping about the war, you playing the people, what I'm worried about. 30 rounds, stick 'em make me trip and bring this curry out. I run in with this bitch, bust shit and then hurry out. Big booty bitch named Keisha, I can fuck with that. Make her grab a hat while I eat a liquor from the back. Clapping that big ass on my dick, I went to bustin' back. She love it when I'm spazzing on the click. I keep her running back, spoil her with the good head. Had to take a soul from her, beat the pussy up. Have her walking like an old woman. Young flunking niggas nowadays act like old dummies. 28 a sticky, it can serve it to the old junkies. Don't ask, can you hold none, cause I can give you shit, dog. All my niggas got their backs around myself for big dog. They say I'm a guard, looking low, but still I sit tall. Quick to come and bless a pussy nigga when I'm pissed off. Get off, when you see me, bitches come and speak with me. I don't play that internet with beef, I keep it in the streets. Fought it with the blue tip, special bullets in the seat. Before I let a nigga disrespect the judge to sentence me. Sipping on this Hennessy and looking at a sty. Who grew the shit up, booty big and round like a medallion. She cold as fuck, but old as fuck, her pussy got some mileage. She say she from the Cooper Road, but she grew up in Highland. My niggas, they be wildin', they hustlin', they step two. Trappin' with the powder, got Zan boys in there too. Heard it through the wind, they gon' kill me, they gon' stretch you. Bitch, I got a car, and I afford it, and a vest too. Ratchet in the flesh, boo, do the shit for Ratchet life. Heaven let them step, then I know my niggas steppin' right.
I was chillin' on the ground, but I'm back outside. Niggas steady hollering about they outside.
Well, guys, we got back with the boat and we're headed to GULFPORT Dragway. Actually, we're headed to Benton's, pick up a truck and trailer. Got Landon Ubering, taking a break. Been on the road all day, but got a biker gang. We are headed to GULFPORT Drag.
Show a nigga ass that it wasn't love.
Tell me where your mind is. Drop a pin. What's the coordinates? You might have a fortune, but you lose me. You still gonna be misfortunate, nigga. Tell me, this love's got you this fucked up.
Burning up tonight, boy. Where we at?
Yeah. It sounds so stock. Baby boy.
Alright, looks like we got a Mustang and a, I'm gonna say,
Shitter on this
The
side.
shitter, buddy.
The shitter got
The
him.
shitter got him, buddy. Right lane, 100%.
Alright, $5.
so
What y'all got? What y'all got?
Right
Give
lane,
Right lane, you got left?
1532 at 90.
We done locked in $5.
Please make sure
Y'all
that
too.
when you stage, you're not backing up to stage. You gotta be pulling forward. Stage, you're not staging.
He's right.
About to take my another 5 off of him.
About to get another
Right
5.
lane. Where we at? Where we at though?
Damn. Damn. What the? Look, y'all are even on 5 now.
I got right lane, bro.
Oh yeah, you just got it. Yeah, brother.
Here you got, bro. Let's do it again. Fuck it. Hey, I got 5 on left. 5 on left, bro.
Hit him, McGuire, so we can be on the same team, bro. Lock in. We locked in, boys.
We the Porsche.
You know, me and you got the Mustang.
The Mustang on drag.
We about to drag him, bro. The Porsche jump.
Porsche jump. Hey, your boy 15 up.
Hey, even though they jump. He might have jumped.
I'm gonna let him win his money back one time. This
You are?
$5. You want to do double or nothing?
Double or nothing.
You owe me 10. You still owe me 10. I better get a fucking sheet out here with tallies.
I know, that's what I said. Somebody pull out their notepad. Oh no, he owes you, Curtis.
No. If I was
Oh,
a
yeah.
If I was a fun nigga, I'd take his money, but the right lane hit him. Right lane jump. He picked right lane, bro. That's the old car.
Bravo, bro.
Hey, that's a learning
Bro,
experience
you
for
looking
$5.
backwards. You just lost $5.
It don't matter,
It's the
bro.
track.
It's a learning. It's a learning.
Left lane 10, bro. So I can
Give me my 5. Give me my 5. Give me my 5.
I got BMW right now.
Give me my 5.
He's fast as fuck.
I have arrived.
Hey, double or nothing.
I'm already gonna lose my 5 to him because I want to this one shook his hand.
Man, oh my God, bro.
I bet like an old man.
I bet like an old man. Old man.
Damn old man, mobile.
You owe me my money, buddy. He ain't jumping.
He ain't jumping.
Oh, you too.
He's fast. They're both fast. A little bit of better driving. Did y'all lock in it?
So it's $10. What you got?
What lane?
Oh, Shelby.
Look this way and say that.
This one.
Hold your L's
A
up.
little slow, bro.
We got the correct lane.
I got left.
Double or nothing.
It's 5. There ain't no double or nothing.
Whatever it is, I don't care, bro.
Yeah, either way you're gonna lose.
I don't have to pay him.
Either way he's gonna lose, bro. He got a Mustang. This is Ford versus Chevy, buddy. And you picked a Ford. Who are you? I thought you had a Chevy.
If the Ford wins, I'll do a backflip off this.
All right. Yeah, I really hope the Ford don't win. I don't want to see
Hey,
that.
racers, don't forget. That's
Bro! What are you doing?
right lane has right away. The left lane
How long they were gonna wait for the
What?
finish line is at the scoreboard.
Hey, I got the old Corvette.
Do you?
Keep your windows
Fucking
rolled up.
Curtis.
Keep your air conditioner turned off.
I got the
Windows.
He already took my money. I got the bucket.
Because it straightens a lot of
Left lane. No, he ain't.
And they side by side. Corvette coming up. I think Corvette's going to get the win light.
Give me my money, boy. Give me my money.
100 to your 5.
100 to your 5. That's risky. He's on stocks.
Which
All
lane?
right, got the GMC.
He didn't say it, Bubba. He didn't say it. Look. Ah! 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 What the fuck?
Titanium fender bolts lighting up.
Brother, what just happened? You're on stocks, brother. I was gonna say there's only 2 tight ones.
Against any other 6'2" around this motherfucker.
Here we go.
Battery's almost dead.
I know we got the everybody. This is the guy with the leaking rear main. It is fixed. He fixed it.
Avoid my ass into that shit.
He fixed it. The cat eye does not have oil leaks no more.
All right, I got the drag. He'll go
What you talking about?
in the
Bubba.
8 mile. He's going to shut it off.
I got left blade.
440 range.
Yeah, bro.
About 161, 162 miles an hour, give or take ish. He's got a 442. Eight mile, 445 and 100.
Look at this guy.
Nah, Bubba.
No, you want to park on the other side.
He's the coolest guy in the party, bro.
He wants to park on the other side, bro.
Slide with Sean.
This is sliding with Sean, bro.
This slide with Sean?
Literally. Yeah, we're not a group chat family. We weren't a group chat family back then.
Bro,
It's got nitrous, bro.
I was just joking, bro.
bro, he's joking. Bro.
I ain't joking. I was just joking, bro. He was joking. My bad, dog. I really don't know where the tires come from, bro. It's cool.
Bro, you'd whoop his ass, bro. Chill out.
Curtis, you're a fuck.
Doing the G-body dance on the top.
You're a piece of fuck.
15 slide.
Curtis? Hey, Curtis is a piece of fuck.
I don't want to say it on.
On the YouTube. Hey, that thing's clean for a Suburban, bro.
Ooh, little Ford Chevy 26, 102. Right lane 1775 and 81. All right, maybe the Infinity and Stinger.
Hey, that's what I was truck for an NA truck.
Corvette and the Explorer EcoBoost. GMC Sierra.
Stock by 3, baby! 100 on right lane, cuz. Shit. What you trying to do? Nah, I'm good. Nah. I would have made the bet. I told you. I told you I would have made the bet.
Let me turn my lights on.
Well, you got to see this.
Hey, yeah, hey, he does powder coating for us.
Yeah, look at the powder coating, Bubba.
Look at that's
Gayest
not
ride
powder
in
coating.
town.
That's polish.
Gayest ride in town. You did that custom.
And all the way from Jack. Out here to watch all the super speed.
Look at this, look at this.
Juliet, Layla, and Jack.
This shit ain't tough, nigga. You got a rag or something?
Like and follow, like and share. All of GulfPort Dragway on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. GulfPort Dragway on all 4 platforms. Right,
Motherfucker.
That boy be tripping, bro.
Bye, nigga.
Yeah.
All right, Robbie Watson.
Say it, what do I need to say?
Say it.
I thought it was a stock 6'2", I ain't gonna say that. What do I need
It's
to
a
say?
race that matters. You got 100?
100 to his 5.
Oh. Kale. Kale.
Where's my lighter? It's in your pocket. Sean, you got an extra lighter?
No.
That was cool. Like, Kale's got the best deal.
Kent don't like me.
I saw one with a fucking hole. Take it down the
Peg leg out there getting all squirrely. Left lane, 8 miles, 725 at 101.
You good. Keep it straight, Bubba.
He recovered 1810 at 8.
All right, babe.
I told the strangers, just got off these niggas private. Inches so big dangerous. Go back, go down and major though. These AK-47 inches, everyone from the ankle roll. This on 17, I'm lying to go gas and freezes.
And got the set in the super fast GMC, the vet. 1155.
That was mine.
Sam's coming in for the kill.
Half track.
A little slower.
Motherfucker. Left lane Corvette.
I told you.